Did you know that you can actually leave reviews that other people can see on Destiny Discover? So in this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through how to do that. So once you navigate to Destiny Discover, you are going to either search for the book you want, or you can select it from the home screen. Either way, when you click on the title that you wish to review, you're going to get this pop-up on the right side of the screen. And then you can click View More Details in the lower right-hand corner. When I click that, I get to this page where I can navigate to these various details about the book, but in this case, I just want to log in so that I can write my review. So I'm going to click Log In here, and then you are just going to sign in with your Google single sign-on. So you're going to select your Google account. And once you are logged in, you will see a couple of different options. So for this tutorial, we are going to click Add Review, and then on the right side of the screen, this will pop up. So you can give it the number of stars that you think it should deserve. And then you can type up your review right here. You're going to give your review a title, so something that sums up your review in one sentence. So something along the lines of, this book is great for athletes, or the author missed the mark on this one, if you want to be a little bit critical. We do want to be school appropriate, so you don't want to say anything inappropriate or negative in the review. And then you are going to hit Submit Review, and then your review will be approved and it will show up on the website. So then at that point, other people will be able to get on and view your review and know whether or not a book is worth their time. Hopefully this was helpful.